Yep, here we go. Pawn Stars Ute. Oh, hello, what's going on there? Spray decal. Hang on a sec. Jacking it up and down with these fucking pumps. Alright, let's go around the front here and have a little screws. Pump up this back one. Pump up this back wheel.
Wait, what?
Pump it up.
Pressurising the tanks again.
Alright. Let's have a look what's inside this pimp ride. What have we got in there? Aha! DVD players in the door. Speakers in there. Oh, that's fucking great. This could be viewed by children. Pop that little DVD, show them some of your pimped out shit you got going on here. DVDs while he's driving, that's because he's driving. And pop the back. How do you make this go up? I'll just pick it up there. Oh, fucking. And a quick go stand next to your wedge. Go on.
No wedge.
Have a look at that. Hey, Oaks has been cooking.
Yeah, I'm easy.
Yep.
You're loving this filming business, aren't you?
Yeah. Right, that's enough.